Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create board on Pinterest or how you can set up and customize boards. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to open the Pinterest application in your mobile. Then tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your profile. And now tap on this board. Here, as you can see, you have two options, pins and boards. Just simply select board. Now tap on this plus icon in the top right corner to create a new board, and now select board here. Now you have to enter the name of your new board. Make sure it's descriptive so you can easily find it later. Decide whether you want your board to be public or secret. If you want to make it private, toggle on keep this board secret. Once you have named your board and set visibility, tap on this next. Now simply tap on this done and your board is created. Now you can start adding pins to it. Just tap this button. Now if you go back and go to pins, and now you can easily add pins, and then tap the save button on any pin and select your new board. Let's say this one, tap on these three dots, tap on this save, and now you can select your board and tap on save, and you are good to go. As you can see, pin saved to this board. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.